Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? Good to see you guys. Good to be here. Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning. All right, what do we got going on? Look at that JASMY chart. All right, look at that JASMY chart. Looking good. So I did a morning chart video on JASMY about an hour and a half ago or so, and I said when we were down here that we were going to test 3 cents. And right now we've broken above it for the second time this morning, right? So what's key here, guys, is can we get high enough above 3 cents to close a daily candle above 3 cents? That would be the first thing we want to do. And then we want to close tomorrow's daily candle above 3 cents. Why, you might ask? Because what we need is to get at least 2 days of strong closes above 3 cents, followed by the weekly close above 3 cents would be very, very bullish for continuation to test 4 cents resistance level. So we'll have to see what happens. But as you know, guys, we have a strong level of resistance as it sits right now, right here, right here. Boop. We have a strong resistance level right here at 3 cents, between 3 cents 1.7 and 3 cents 2, right? We've rejected off of it multiple times over here. We've rejected off of it here, right? It's acting as a strong resistance level. So we'll see what happens. We got to get above it, guys, to see continuation to the upside. But a strong close here, maybe a strong weekly close above 3 cents as well, could start to propel us to the upside. We'll see what happens. But yeah. Damn it. Anyway. So yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at here, guys. Let's get into the chat, see what's going on. As always, guys, make sure you smash the like and subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. We only need 20 more subs, guys. 20 more subs to get to 6,000 subscribers. 20 subs. So if you are watching and you are not subscribed, hook us up. William, how you doing, my friend? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Dumb Money, what's going on? Rob, I want to thank you for making this community strong again. You like that, eh? You like that. Here's the thing. So somebody, I'm not going to say who, somebody who usually comments in videos and stuff like that in the comment section, they said this morning they made an announcement for some reason in the comment section about how they're unsubscribing to the channel because of the positivity that we've been talking about in regards to Trump, right? And I'm sorry, but I'm not here to feed you what you want to hear. I'm here to feed you what's going on and what's really happening, right? If there's somebody, and listen, it's perfectly fine to disagree with me. If you don't like Trump, I don't care. That's perfectly fine. I respect you still, right? You can dislike him all you want. You can support Biden and his policies all you want. There's nothing wrong with that. You're entitled to that, right? And you can leave if you feel that, you don't like my opinion. That's fine too. But what I will say is, let's not pretend that we're living in an economy right now that is great and good, and because we want to pretend things are good right now in the world, in the United States, because we don't like Trump. Things are not good under the current administration. Whether you like Trump or hate Trump is irrelevant. Things are terrible in front of or behind this current administration. It just is. Corruption is everywhere. The SEC's out of control. Elizabeth Warren is out of control. All this is happening under Biden's administration. The economy is terrible. Groceries are expensive. Like, people can't afford to put gas in their cars. I'm sorry, but let's not pretend, right? Let's not pretend things are going great just because you don't like Trump. Do you really care more about your hatred for Trump than you do about fixing the economy and fixing people's lives in America? Like, at some point, you got to put your ego aside and just say, yeah, we got to fix things no matter how much I don't like it. We got to make things better, right? Period. So, Sun is hot. What's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Rosa, hello everyone. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you, Rosa. Good to see you, by the way. Crypto Homes in the house. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Mary, I'm here. Good day to all. Mary, good to see you too. Ali G, hey Rob, nice to see BTC pumping and alts moving. Any idea on upcoming JASMY news that may help it? XCN has the white paper in a week, which should help, but obviously the Ethereum ETF should help. The Ethereum ETF, there's a lot of catalysts coming across the board, guys. We got the Bitcoin conference next week that Trump is speaking at, among other people. There's also other very notable speakers that are going to be at the Bitcoin conference, right? But you know there's going to be a lot of bullishness coming out of there. So we could see a massive pump on Bitcoin based on whatever announcements are made at the Bitcoin conference, followed by the Ethereum ETFs next week as well, right? As far as JASMY is concerned, I mean, there is catalyst coming this year still, yes. We're still waiting on the announcements, probably around October, for the launch of the platform that they have been quietly building with Panasonic to bridge all of Panasonic's IoT devices onto Junction, right? They said back in March that it was going to take them about 6 months working side by side with Panasonic to get this platform ready to go. So there is that. There's the launch of Junction still, right? There's more lockups still. There's a lot going on. And honestly, I'm expecting at least a couple more partnership announcements before the end of this year as well. So yes, I think there's a lot coming in the pipeline still. Yamaha, what's up, man? Good to see you. Haven't seen you in a little bit, man. Shane, what's up, buddy? Finally caught a live stream. YouTube's tripping with your notifications. Yeah, I don't know why they do that, man. Probably because we're talking so much about Trump lately and stuff. They're probably shadow banning me or something. But Ty, hey there, Rob. Hope the day is going well. What do you think about this Microsoft Counter-Strike outage? We're going to talk about it, brother. It's on the docket. Chris, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Larry's in the house. What's up? What's your JASMY price prediction by November? I don't have one by November, my friend. I do have one by the end of the year, I would say, Larry. Check out my JASMY price prediction video. You just go to my library and search for JASMY price prediction. There's about 7 different JASMY price prediction videos because people keep asking for them. So definitely check them out. I'm just saying, under the radar, collecting Swift, staying under the nice. That's not a bad plan, man. That's not a bad plan. G, what's up, man? Have you looked into XRP, ICP, CME news? I have not had time. I've been so overwhelmed lately, but it is on my to-do list, my friend. Elizabeth, how you doing? Good to see you. Jesse James, what's up, man? Rob Father, to finally watch a live and not a replay. Damn, notifications aren't working. Love your content as always. It looks like XCN's doing something too. Yeah, I actually did a XCN charting video that's coming out this afternoon. So definitely check that out because I think you will be pleasantly surprised. Larry, what's up, buddy? What's your JASMY price prediction around the election? Well, I mean, it depends, right? The election is going to be a very strong component to whatever the crypto space does, right? If Trump wins, crypto's going to go nuts. If Biden wins, crypto's probably going to dump because Biden has been attacking crypto for 2.5 years, maybe longer, right? So it's going to be taken as a bad sign to the crypto industry if Biden wins. So it's going to be very, very, very volatile depending on who wins. So, Lily, how are you? Made alive. Nice. Good to have you. What's your price prediction right now for JASMY? Larry, I just did a JASMY charting video an hour ago, my friend. An hour ago. After the live stream, I would say go at least watch that video, right? Looking forward to it, brother. You're the only person really keeping up with XCN. Yeah, I try my best. Yeah, I know they don't always get a lot of views, but hey, when XCN starts going nuts, everyone's going to be covering it, right? Also, Biden might be dropping from the election. I keep hearing that, right? I keep hearing like, oh, there's an 80% chance he's dropping out, but then, you get somebody from the Democrats jumps on stage and they're like, there's a 100% chance he's not dropping out. So I don't even know what they're doing anymore over there, to be honest with you. This is crazy. We're like, what is it? November is the election, right? What is it? It's July, almost August, September, October. We got a couple of months left, and they're talking about switching candidates. This is crazy. It's crazy. Tom, what's up, buddy? Hey, Rob, thanks for all you do. Up 700K, Jasmy so far. Nice. Congratulations, brother. I love to see it, man. I love to see those bags grow, baby. Absolutely. As always, guys, if you're new here, make sure you're smashing that subscribe button. So, yeah. All right, so let's get into some of the news. Oh, Larry, you literally keep dancing around the question I keep asking you all. I'm asking right now, what you think your lazy price prediction will be after the election? I know what you're asking me, Larry, but you're the one that's being lazy. I literally did a JASMY price prediction video an hour ago. And if you're too lazy to go watch it and you want me to just answer your price prediction questions, you've asked me like 4 price prediction questions in like 5 minutes, right? If you want my my current JASMY price prediction video or opinion, go watch the video I literally did an hour ago. Don't be lazy, Larry, and then don't jump on here and call me lazy because you won't watch a video. Dude, it's like your video. There will definitely be a movie on all this without a doubt. Yeah, exactly. Just like The Big Short and stuff like that, right? If you've never seen The Big Short, definitely go watch it. But yeah, just like The Big Short, just like the what's that cat guy again? The GME stock, right? They did a movie on that as well. So yeah, these times are going to be like very, very strong. It's going to be a very strong movie. Like, think about all of the characters that are going to be in a movie about this phase of crypto, right? The Sam Bankman-Frieds, the Gary Genslers, right? The Ripple, like the Brad Garlinghouses, right? Like, there's so many characters, like, and they're almost larger than life characters, you know. So it's gonna make for a good, entertaining movie. That's all I gotta say, right? Beebs, what's up, buddy? Let's go, future crypto millionaires. Hey, Rob, I have an important question. Last bull run, we had a bunch of tokens that went parabolic in 2022. XEN was one. So you think in 22? No, I don't. The reason XEN has had a little bit of a pump in 2022 because they launched in 2022, right? So it was just kind of like an initial launch, then there was a pump, and then it dumped afterwards, right? So XCN has not actually seen a bull run before, right? So it'll be very exciting to see what happens with XCN when it goes into price discovery mode, right? So yeah. Dumb Money, I seen something about making a Turbo Web3 game. Oh, that would be interesting. I wonder if it'll be AAA or what. Larry, this is why I won't be subscribing. You can't answer a simple question. Larry, since I got on live, I've probably answered about 30 questions. So if you don't want to subscribe to the channel, that is your prerogative, my friend. If you're too lazy to go watch a price prediction video, I don't know what to tell you, brother. You'll probably fail in this business in the asset class because you're asking me to give you things like price prediction videos, and you won't even give the courtesy of going to give a view to the price prediction video, right? You understand how selfish that sounds? I literally did a price prediction video an hour ago, and you won't go watch it. Instead, you want me to answer your question here. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe. I don't care, right? I love this community that we've built. Everyone here is respectful except for you. So maybe you just don't fit in here, Larry. How many price predictions do you want? Do they want one an hour? Chill out, guys. Yes. Yeah, he's asked me for like 4 different time frames for price predictions. Like, what about November? What about December? What about after the election? What the hell? I don't have a crystal ball, you know? Like, Turbo's ripping. Is Turbo ripping right now? Let's have a look over at Turbo. Oh, it is. It's actually up 14%. 14.5%. Nice. Nice. It's up 39.7% on the week, guys. Turbo's having itself a time. Very nice. Turbo stood up very well against the market. I love to see it. Larry's just trolling. Don't give the attention he wants. Yeah, 100%. 100% agree. Have a temper tantrum somewhere else. And that's the thing, right? That's the thing, is that you're a nobody. Yes, you're absolutely right, Larry. I am a nobody. I'm just a dude on the internet. I'm a nobody. I'm just a dude. I'm just a dad. I'm just a guy who went ahead and built a community where we can all get along and have a good time. I'm nobody. You're absolutely right. I'm just a dude on the internet, man. Nothing special about me. So, Mr. Rob, you think no way any tokens pump till 2026 in 2020? Well, there will be tokens that launch in 2026, right? I mean, there's lots of tokens that launch in bear markets. KASPA launched in a bear market and they pumped, right? XCN launched in the bear market, they pumped. So yes, newer projects that kind of launch in bear markets, but then eventually the market will pull them down because there's just not much liquidity in the market when it comes to a bear market, right? I mean, we fell below $1 trillion in this last bear market at the bottom. I think we were like 700 million or something like, or 700 billion or something like that. So liquidity just gets drained out, right? But there will be projects that pump, that launch. So yeah. Hey, Larry. Congratulations, Larry. You're out of here. Biden or Gary? Nice. Don't be like Larry. Exactly. 100%. I appreciate it. Hey, no problem, man. I got your back. I got your back, guys. You know what it is. All right, let's jump over into some of the news. Oh, what do we got? We got super chat here from Nothing But the North. Where you been, my friend? Good to see you. Thank you so much for the super chat. Good afternoon, sir. Let's all become independent this year. JASMY all the way. Hey, JASMY token made Forbes. God damn it. That means something for sure. And exactly Nothing But the North. And I talked about that. Like that is quietly being underestimated, is the importance of the fact that JASMY was mentioned by Forbes in their article, right? I think it was ranked like 6th or something like that, right? And that's a big deal. A lot of people, especially newer retail investors and stuff, rely on a place like Forbes, like a source like Forbes, like to find out what projects are interesting and what projects, you know, they could potentially be investing in. You know, they're definitely not. If you're reading a project about a project like JASMY in Forbes magazine, you know it's not a scam. Right? Because you know it's safer as someone who's newer to crypto, because Forbes is not going to do a piece on a scam coin at the end of the day, right? So it gives it a level, it gives JASMY, when it comes to newer institutional and newer retail investors, it gives JASMY a level of credibility, right? And reliability for these people to feel some level of safety and security, right? So absolutely Nothing But the North. I agree with you 100%. On the importance of Forbes talking about JASMY. Jonathan, Turbo ripping. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Look at that. 14.5%, baby. 39.7 on the week. We love our Turbo here, baby. We love it. Nothing But the North. Busy, taking care of the business. Yeah, I know what it is. I know what it is. Dab was looking for peeps talking about JASMY. Found this on a YouTube search. Nice. Glad to have you, my friend. If you're looking for JASMY content, I promise you this much, my friend. There is no channel out there on the interwebs that does more JASMY content than we do. We do 4 to 5 JASMY videos a day, plus 1 to 2 live streams a day. So I'd say we cover JASMY fairly well. So welcome to the family, my friend. Travis, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. So I saw what JASMY made the Forbes. That shows JASMY is no joke. Yeah, they did. I did a video on it the other day. Check it out, brother. Check it out. Gee, what do you think Helium Mobile could possibly hit this cycle? Wondering if I should swap my Helium that I get through my phone service or something else. Where do I think Helium Mobile could hit this cycle? Well, first off, I'll start off by saying I do hold Helium. So for full transparency, right? I do plan on buying more of it. I think that they have a unique niche that they don't have a whole lot of competition in, so which makes them a pretty decent investment opportunity, in my opinion. As far as where do I think they could go, well, let's go over to CoinMarketCap and have a look at Helium Mobile. Let me switch this back to US dollars so you guys don't. Sometimes I leave it on Canadian dollars and someone freaks out. What the hell? Oh, man, good times. So Helium Mobile, $136 million market cap, guys. This one has the opportunity for a lot of growth, right? It's on Solana, so that is a very big plus to me. All-time high was 207. I could see, honestly, if Helium Mobile could get its way up to about 18 to 20 cents, I would be happy with that return, depending on how many you hold, right? But that's conservative, keep in mind, right? That's not the maximum I think it could go to. That's a conservative target I think that it could hit, is around that 18 to 20 cent level. So I mean, if you're holding 4 million tokens, you could walk away with close to $1 million, right? Ronald, Head and Shoulders building on the day chart could take maybe another 6 days. You talking about JASMY? Head and Shoulders. Damn it. Hang on. Are you talking about JASMY's chart? I don't see no Head and Shoulders here. Oh, are you thinking, is this what you're thinking? Like we come back down here and then up again for like, is that kind of what you're thinking? I don't know. That's all I can really guess that you might be thinking. Yeah, I don't see a Head and Shoulders pattern outside of what I just kind of pointed out there. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't see it, brother. Or am I just too zoomed in? Is that? No, not really. I don't see it, brother. JASMY back to 3 cents. Oh, inverse. Oh, okay. Oh, I see what you're saying now. Inverse. So this is what you're talking about. Is that what you're talking about? I dig it. I see that. I can see that. Good eye, man. Good eye. I didn't even see that. Good eye. Credit to Ronald. JASMY back to 3 cents. Hope we close weekly above 3 cents. Yeah, that's the thing, right? We'll be watching for Sunday to see what happens. Did you manage to get your Myriad DCA price down a little more? Yeah, I did actually. My price was like 1 cent, like around 1 cent, 209. So I got it down quite a bit. Jackie, where is Turbo headed? Turbo is headed to the moon. Let's look at Turbo. Turbo's having itself a grand old time. Yeah, look at that sideways action and then kapow. This is called accumulation, guys. Accumulation. You'll love to see it. Okay, so Turbo all-time high was 209, just a hair under a cent. Turbo, honestly, man, I could see Turbo hitting. I mean, the market cap's still reasonably low. It's got a good community. Where are the listings? It's still got some catalysts in terms of listings as well. It's not on Binance. It's not on. Is it on KuCoin? No, it's not on KuCoin. So this sucker could fly, to be honest with you. With a lot of the catalysts coming in and stuff, we could see Turbo hit somewhere around 30, 40 cents. I could see that happening, maybe higher. Turbo headed to heaven. Yes. Yes. Absolutely fast too curious. Alt season can't come soon enough. I need to quit my job. We all do, man. We all do, Jonathan. I feel you, man. I feel you. Swift keeps wanting to move, but every time it does, the market drops out. I'm dying of it. I have a Swift technical analysis video coming out today too, later today. I already recorded it, where I think Swift is going, what's happening with it right now. So definitely check that out, man. Check that out, Sam. It'll be out later today. Steph said, if the big cup and handle formation works out, target will be 62 cents. Yes, yes. I agree. I think that Steph likes to be a little bit conservative, though. That's the you have to understand something. From my understanding, the breakout from the cup and handle will lead to 62 cents, but that's not the final price target of JASMY. That's the final price target out of the cup and handle pattern, right? You'll likely see a bit of a correction after that, and then you'll see more consolidation, right? Did you see that Trump coin launched after the attempt? I wouldn't have made it. That thing would have gone nuts. Yeah, well, I think all of the Trump meme coins, if he wins the election, are going to go absolutely crazy, man. So, Beebs, KASPA, absolutely, brother, absolutely. All right, let's get into some of the news here, guys. We got to get some news coverage going on. And so, yes, I'm going to jump over to the news, guys. If you want to get my attention, if you have a question, anything like that, throw it over in a super chat. I'll pull up the chart. I'll have a look at whatever it is that you want. But in the meantime, we got some news to cover. All right, so we got 3 issues to cover today, guys. We got the Microsoft issue, we've got Bitcoin ETFs, and we've got the BlackRock BDL tokenization fund. So let's talk about it. So the BlackRock's BDL tokenization fund hits 500 million in assets under management. Institutional digital, BlackRock's tokenized fund, BUIDL, that's BlackRock's USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, has amassed more than $500 million in assets under management in 3 months, according to new reports. Guys, this is the power of tokenization of everything moving forward, right? $500 million, $500 million in 3 months, and they're just getting started, right? So what happened? The research report by Digifit shows that as of July 9th, 2024, the fund's assets under management reached 502.8 million held across 17 addresses. BUIDL issued on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token allows Web3 institutions to access real-world returns without navigating complex and on and off ramps. BlackRock's collaboration with key Web3 players such as Securitize, Circle, and Ondo Finance. Yes, I did say Ondo Finance. We've been telling you guys to pick up as much Ondo as you can since they launched. If you're wondering the connection between Ondo and BlackRock, well, Ondo is the platform that facilitates the transaction of BUIDL, BUIDL or whatever, BUIDL, BlackRock's Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, into USDC, right? So that is their association between Circle and Ondo. So that makes Ondo big news, guys, right? Securitize, acting as a regulator recognized transfer agent, enables the use of public blockchains as a primary accounting tool for the recording ownership and transfers of issued assets. The partnership has effectively bridged the gap between traditional finance and blockchain world, according to reports. Circle's involvement with further enhanced BUIDL's utility by introducing a contract allowing real-time exchanges of BUIDL and USDC. That is the bridge that Ondo provides. This feature provides token holders with unprecedented liquidity options, setting a new standard for tokenized funds. Ondo Finance, currently the largest holder of BUIDL tokens, has utilized this asset to create its own money market fund product, OUSG. The multi-layered approach allows stable real-world returns to flow into the DeFi ecosystem, benefiting the broader range of investors. The success of BUIDL is evident in its rapid growth. This growth trajectory suggests strong institutional interest in tokenized financial products. However, the path to widespread adoption is not without challenges. Regulatory hurdles and compliance issues remain significant obstacles until we get rid of Gary Gensler, with most jurisdictions taking a conservative approach to asset tokenization. Despite these challenges, the initiatives by BlackRock and other financial giants are driving attention to the efficiencies of on-chain interactions and encouraging the development of new laws and standards. As the financial world continues to evolve, the success of BUIDL and similar tokenized funds could pave the way for more traditional institutions to enter the DeFi space. And here's the thing, guys. I think with Ondo, it's just the beginning, right? With BlackRock, all of these other companies, all of these other entities that want to start to tokenize everything are also going to start to utilize, I would think, a bridge like Ondo's, because they're already tried and tested and true as BlackRock uses them, right? That is why that is why Ondo is going to be so freaking big, in my opinion. So definitely something to keep an eye on. Let's segue over to the ETFs. All right, Bitcoin's ETFs attract over 1 billion in 10 days, guys. Investors' interest in Bitcoin exchange-traded funds seems to persist. A recent influx in capital into these funds clearly demonstrates this trend. This is all more remarkable given the fact that it comes despite recent declines in the price of Bitcoin. Significant inflows have recently been observed in the Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. This persistent interest, despite market fluctuations, underscores the continued confidence of investors in the Bitcoin ETFs as an investment vehicle. The BlackRock IBIT ETF led the pack in inflows with a net influx of $102.67 million in one day. This capital fund brings its total net assets to $20.67 billion. Conservatively, the Grayscale GBTC ETF experienced a net outflow of $22.54 million, reducing its net assets to $17.26 billion. Other Bitcoin ETFs showed varied results. The Fidelity FBTC fund recorded a daily net influx of $2.78 million, bringing its total net assets to $9.82 billion. The VanEck ETF, on the other hand, attracted $1.8 million in capital flows. However, Bitwise, Valkyrie, Invesco, WisdomTree, and Hashdex ETFs did not see significant inflows. Over the past 10 days, the total amount of inflows into ETFs has exceeded $1 billion. This trend signals renewed optimism among asset managers such as ARK Invest and Bitwise, despite the recent price drop to a 4-month low. This accumulation of investments was made at the prices deemed undervalued by many. Indeed, intensive purchases were made around $54,000 for Bitcoin. The current price of Bitcoin is currently flirting with 63.8. It's actually up at, what is it right now? It's actually up at 66.7 now. Experts such as Michael Vandepop and MN Capital project a promising future for Bitcoin. Notably, he believes that the continuation of these institutional inflows could propel its price to $100,000. This vision is shared by many investors who see the current price as an exceptional buying opportunity. The landscape of Bitcoin ETFs reflects the complexity and rapid evolution of the cryptocurrency market. while some view it as a bubble ready to burst. Others anticipate a historic rise in value. The future of ETFs and Bitcoin remains uncertain. However, the persistent interest of investors could well be the precursor to a new era of digital assets. It remains to be seen whether this enthusiasm can transform the current crisis into the latest evolution of crypto investments. Well, considering the freaking next president is about to say some bullish stuff about it coming up, I would say get in where you fit in, right? And what else do we got, guys? Well, let's talk about it, guys. The elephant in the room, shall we? Global Microsoft outage disrupts flights, banks, and media outlets worldwide. A widespread Microsoft outage has disrupted flights, banks, media outlets, and businesses globally. The outage has persisted for hours, affecting access to Microsoft's 365 apps and services. Microsoft has been working to fix the issue, gradually restoring access. Down Detector, a website tracking user-reported internet outages, recorded disruptions in service at Visa, ADT Security, Amazon, and airlines such as American Airlines and Delta. In Australia Airlines, telecommunications provider, banks, and media broadcasters lost access to their computer systems. Similar issues were reported in the UK, Europe, and India. New Zealand Bank also went offline. Microsoft 365 posted on X that they're working on rerouting the impacted traffic to alternate systems to alleviate impact in a more expedient fashion, and observed a potential trend in service availability. Users are expected to see gradual relief as mitigation efforts continue. The latest updates indicate ongoing improvements in service availability. Impacted services due to the outage include Power BI, Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Users may experience services in read-only mode or intermediate access issues. The global impact of the Microsoft outage is extensive. Airlines, railways, and television stations in the United Kingdom were disrupted. Ryanair, TransPennine Express, Govia Thameslink Railway, and Sky News was affected. Australia's airports saw long queues and standard passengers due to disabled online check-in services. Despite these issues, flights continue to operate. Online operations in India were disrupted, affecting thousands of passengers. In Hong Kong, the airport authority switched to manual check-in for some airlines. Berlin Airport in Germany experienced check-in delays, suspending flights until 10 a.m. The BBC reports that over 1,000 flights were canceled worldwide, with the number expected to rise. In Australia, news outlets like ABC and Sky News faced broadcasting issues, with some anchors going live online from dark offices. In South Africa, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange reported issues of the FTSE not updating. Major issuers of Captic, okay, the largest bank by customer numbers, also face outages. It remains unclear if these issues are linked to the Microsoft outage. Now, who could solve this kind of problem? Potentially, maybe, just maybe, something like the Super PDL. Just putting that out there, right? Just putting it out there. See what sticks to the wall. I don't know. What's the Dixie doing, guys? What's the Dixie doing? What's that Dixie doing? She's trying to pump. Look at her. She's trying to pump. She's trying. But guess what? Ain't gonna happen. It's gonna break through. It's gonna fall below this support level that it has here. I've showed you guys this multiple times. We've got a double top going on here on the DXY. Only a matter of time before she goes, and then it is to the moon for risk on assets, guys. And just as a little friendly reminder, with all of the other catalysts that are coming, the Bitcoin conference, the Ethereum ETFs coming, all that stuff coming, right? Remember one thing too, guys, is that Trump had announced the other day that none other than J.P. Morgan's Jamie Dimon is changing his tune on Bitcoin. So if he wants the treasury job, like what's been spread around, well, is he going to come out and say something positive? Is Bitcoin's and crypto's worst enemy going to come out and say something bullish on crypto? Well, JP Morgan is starting to sound bullish. Look at this. JP Morgan says Bitcoin will rebound in August. So it's going to be interesting to see, guys. If Jamie Dimon, Bitcoin's biggest enemy, starts talking positively and changing his tune on crypto and Bitcoin to be part of Trump's caucus, well, big things popping, little things stopping. You guys know what it is. So that is the news, guys, as we have it. Let's get back into the chat and see what's going on. Keep dropping Swift so I can collect more before the bull run. Yes, exactly, man. Jonathan, hit the likes, people. Great stream. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you, brother. What do we got? Fast Too Curious. You see the video of Crypto John on Jasmy, Rob? He seems like he was regretting Jasmy big time. He was contemplating picking some up after some research. I have not seen it yet. I heard about it. Someone posted it over in our Discord, but I haven't had a chance to watch it. I think that it would be great. I mean, I don't know. It's a double-edged sword for me, right? Part of me is like, good, get back on board with it, awesome. But he's also so two-faced about his investments that, one week he's talking positively about stuff and the next he's fudding it. So I kind of feel like I just want him to just not talk about Jasmy at all, because he seems like a net negative for any project, right? But I mean, hey, he got out at like 203, 204 or something like that. He sold, right? And now look at the price that we're at. If he wants to buy back in now, that's fine. It's still a good buying opportunity, but holy smokes, did he miss out on a lot of profit? And did he cost a lot of his subscribers a lot of profit as well, right? By all the flip-flopping that he's doing. So I am going to watch his video, though. Excited for ABT. Glad it came way back down. Yes, it is a great dollar cost average pickup for sure. Ed, let's go, baby. Absolutely. Trump 2024. Should have held the bonk a little longer to buy more Swift. Shake my head. Sold at 25 cents. Yeah, well, here's the thing, though, right? Here's the thing, though, man, is that, hindsight's always 20/20, right? You can't look at it that way, brother. As long as you're in the green, you're fine, man, right? That's how you got to look at it. If you drive yourself nuts, if you regret every single missed opportunity, right? So as long as you're in the green, brother, you're doing all right, man. Maybe the Jasmy ambassadors can reach out to these companies and offer a solution. Yeah, well, exactly, right? Exactly. That's what I was thinking, Holmes, 100%. Big Trip 96, welcome to the member side, my friend. If you need any help, we do members only live streams and stuff, so make sure you show up for those. We try to do them on Sundays. So yeah, welcome to the family, my friend. It's awesome to have you. What else do we got? Nick, what's up, buddy? Hello, Jasmy fam. Just saying hello to strong guys. We are so close to the bull market. Yes. Oh, by the way, Rob, you're a cool guy, always coming out with something new. God bless always, buddy. God bless you too, Nick. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping in, man. A lot of you guys do that. You're at work or something like that, and you pop in and you make a comment. You just say hello. And you know what, man? That in itself, that's awesome. That kind of support means everything. It really does, guys. Jasmy September 2. By September, we're looking at the start of Q4. I'm hoping we're somewhere around, between 5 and 9 cents by that point. I'm hoping. I think things are about to go nuts. That's what you have to understand. Like I said, we got Trump speaking among other notable speakers at the Bitcoin conference next week. The Ethereum ETF's going. We could see a 10, 15 cent, maybe 20 cent Jasmy by then, right? Depends on how things kind of play out. If we go one more week, I can officially double my Swift goal. Either way, I'm satisfied with what I got. Nice. That's awesome, Sam. Congratulations, brother. I am proud of you, man. Gensler, Warren, Diamond, we're all in bed together. Crypto's worst threesome. Yeah, now Diamond jumps out of bed. You can't make this shit up. Yeah, it's like a heel turn in wrestling, right? It's like, you know, it's like this. That I don't know if you watch wrestling, but it's like, it's like Elizabeth Warren and Gensler are in the ring, and Diamond's in there too, and he picks up a chair and just turns on Gensler and Warren and starts giving them chair shots. Just joins Team Trump, eh? Trump's new faction. Ty, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Big Watch, dude, what's up, man? C4L fam, good to see you, brother. Good to see you. All right, guys. So listen, we're all caught up on the news. We're all caught up on the chat. My daughter's in town, so I am going to go check. I'm going to go see her. She just got here for the weekend, so I'm excited to spend some time with her. What else do we got here? Agreeable Crypto John. I like him at first, but a month of watching him, and I also realized he flip-flops and never seems to be real about his conviction plays. I don't trust him. Yeah, that's just it, right? And he did the same thing with a lot of projects. He did the same thing with Gala that he did with JASMY, and I mean, there's other projects like he loves them, he shills them, he loves them, and then he dumps them, and then he fuds them, and he fuds them, and he fuds them, right? And the thing is with me, the thing I can't let go of when it comes to John is not that he sold his JASMY and then made a FUD video about it. That's fine. You can make a mistake and you can say, I messed up and stuff. My issue is not that he made one video about it. He made like 4 or 5 FUD videos about JASMY at that time. He even did like 3 or 4 live streams with other people where they just laughed and mocked the JASMY community and stuff like that, calling us stupid and all that kind of stuff because we don't see what he sees. That's my problem. He didn't just FUD it once, sell his stuff and FUD it. He dragged it out, mocking the community for weeks on end, right? That's my problem with John, right? He was so sure that he was right? And now he wants the JASMY community to re-embrace him because his views are probably wants JASMY video views, right? So now he's trying to get the JASMY community back on his side, and I'm like, dude, you burned that bridge. You mocked the community. You made fun of people, right? You said that you knew better and the JASMY community is stupid for holding on to a scam coin, and and now you're like, oh, I might have made a mistake. Come back and watch my videos again. Nah, bro. No. You sold us out, man. You sold us out. Right? Elizabeth, thank you, Rob. Always putting out so much content. You're somebody. You're the crypto guy. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. I appreciate you, and I look forward to our conversation this weekend. Any updates on AWT? Looking like I will ride it all the way down. Hey, if you ride it down, I ride it down too, brother. But I'll tell you right now, Web3 gaming hasn't done much at all across the board, and I mean, as soon as like we got like Alex Becker starts coming back and starts shilling Web3 gaming stuff, because everyone goes to him for some reason for Web3 gaming. He makes some good calls. I think he's actually an advisor on Miria as well. But anyway, I don't think AWT's done. I mean, I'm still holding it, whatever, right? If it dies, it dies. But I think it's going to surprise some people, right? Some people are going to say, oh, that project's dead. And then all of a sudden it's just going to melt faces. And people are going to be like, oh, my God, why didn't I buy it when it was down so much, right? Ty, thank you so much for the super sticker, my friend. Your support is always appreciated, brother. I went fishing yesterday with my daughter. Great times and caught the only fish. Thanks for the content. Hey, no problem, man. Congratulations on the fish. Congratulations on quality time with your daughter, man. That's awesome. Mine's 15. I'm excited to go hang out with her. I haven't seen her in quite a while. She lives out of town, so it's going to be a good time. So, yeah, as always, guys, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for being here, guys. I appreciate all of you guys. And I'll see you tomorrow for the morning live stream as per usual. Have a great Friday, guys.